Izakhamuzi zakule ndawo zikhala ngezidingo ezingafiki kuzo. Imigwaqo isesimweni esibi kanti nompompi bavamile ukungaphumi manzi.
When it comes to service delivery, there's no service delivery. When it rains, no schools. You don't able to go to clinic.
We have a problem with the service delivery matters. We have a problem with the provincial road, the internal road, and the master light.
Umphakathi ufuna isixazululo esiphuthumayo kulezi zinkinga zawo.
We are expecting the government to take care what we've been grieving about here in this meeting, which is they promised us in a shortage period of time they will be available to give us our answers.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthembise ukusebenzisana neminyango ehlukene ukubhekana nalokhu.
I'll be meeting with the departments on Tuesday, all the departments, so that they can explain some of the issues that are raised here. And then after 7 days, we'll be coming back to the community to give them relevant answers that they need.
Ngolesibili kulindeleke ukuthi kube nomunye umhlangano nomphakathi.